He's gonna try it. Come on.
That's too big.
Chef or a ninja?
First I'm going to be a chef, and then a ninja like this.
Oh, no, 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 no. Get down.
And then a chef like this.
Are you gonna try scrambled eggs today?
No.
Please.
No. Just a little. Poquito.
Just a little.
Like this much.
So Leah made the eggs. Are you gonna eat the eggs?
Yeah. A little.
These kids, they all want to help, and nobody wants to eat anything. I think I was just hangry. Do you get hangry? Everybody gets hangry here. Girl, you always get hangry.
No.
I really did not want to cook breakfast this morning. I was like, who's gonna make me breakfast? And then Dad went to yoga, but it's like, if we go buy breakfast, especially if it's just pancake, eggs, and bacon, we're gonna easily spend like $80 plus somewhere else when we could just make it, because we have everything here. What are you gonna eat, little one?
Bacon and rice.
Oh, rice, not pancakes?
I also forgot pancakes. Oh, right. Why did you do this?
What happened?
He did this, and I tell him every day, don't touch this. He did this. Mom, I write 6, 7. I did this.
I'm pretty sure she was doing something though.
I was.
JJ.
What? I was making patterns so I know which one. I didn't know this. Off that.
What's on the back?
That's 6, 7.
Huh?
That's 6, 7. You can see the 6 right here.
Okay, now the lighting is like so bright up here. I'm going upstairs to make coffee because our Keurig lives in our laundry room still. So yes, our laundry room, well, almost fell. Our laundry room is where our Keurig lives, and there's extra microwave because back, when was that? Oh, during the holidays, we had a flood. Was that what it was? Yeah. And our cabinets, lower cabinets needed to be replaced. So if you've followed us for a while, you'll notice that our kitchen, and you like don't follow us on Instagram, but you follow us here, you'll notice that our kitchen is different. Our island is flat now, and the cabinets on the bottom are green, and it just looks so much brighter in there and nicer and newer, because when the holidays hit around like Thanksgiving, was it? I don't remember. I just remember it was Christmas time, because we didn't have a downstairs. They had to dry the walls, so we couldn't decorate downstairs. We had to move all the furniture into like the dining room, and just construction all until the new year. It wasn't until like New Year that we were finally back downstairs, but we spent all the holidays upstairs. Our laundry room became our kitchen. So, do you remember did you vlog when the stuff at the kitchen happened and we were in the upstairs makeshift kitchen?
Yeah, well, you recorded a lot of stuff. But I did try to put a vlog together. I may have created a vlog or created something. But what I do know is I shot video of during the drying phase.
I just need to know, do you have anything that's in this direction, bruh?
I think so.
Okay, so if we have that, I'm gonna include it in the end. So keep watching.
Or you can put a link to the video that you created
I don't think I made a video.
on Instagram.
I don't
the
think
post.
I did. I did not.
Like about our kitchen renovation and how you wanted to upgrade
No,
it
no,
and
no.
stuff
That's
like
not what
that.
I'm talking about. I remember saying,
We should
or
vlog.
you told me we should vlog what's happening. So I feel like I may have recorded some stuff on my phone in the vlog in the hot dog direction, but I don't ever remember seeing you make one.
No, because I started recording, but then things got really hectic, and I was still working, and I didn't have enough to make a vlog.
Okay, well, whatever I got, I'll add it in the end. So keep watching, keep going, and I will include whatever I do find.
All right, see you guys next time.
See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.